Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few Christmas decoration hacks from 5 Minute Crafts and Hungry Panda to check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I have a muffin. I'm going to top it up with some homemade whipped cream. You will find the recipe in the description box below. Now in the ice cream cone, I'm adding some candy. You can add any candies you like. Place it over the cupcake like so. In the same whipped cream, I just added 2 to 3 drops of green color. Now pipe it all over the cone in circular lines. They actually used buttercream, but I already had whipped cream, so I'm using that. You can use anything you like. The nozzle I used is 8B Open Star. Don't worry, I will link it below. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on top to give it a snowy effect and decorate it with any Christmas candies you can find. Now your Christmas tree cupcake is ready. It looks so amazing. Let's give it a taste. It's become a bit soggy because of the whipped cream, but that's my fault. The hack totally works and looks exactly like a tree. So this hack was successful. For the next hack, I'm making 1/4 of the recipe. Here I have 50 grams of white chocolate. To that add 1/8 cup of melted butter, half tablespoon coconut oil, 1/8 cup of condensed milk and 3/4 cup of coconut shreds. If you don't have 1/8 cup, just take half of 1/4 cup, mix and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Once it's set, scoop out a little portion and give it a ball shape. You will need 3 balls for 1 snowman. Also, you have to make a mini ball for the head. Now, coat all the balls with more coconut shreds. For the muffler, I couldn't find the rainbow strip, so I'm using this red Chupa Chups sour belt. Cut it into half. Also, cut the edges. Let's assemble the snowman. Apply a drop of white chocolate on the coconut ball. Place another ball over it and repeat the same for the head. Now place the strip where you applied the chocolate. Clearly, the muffler is not staying in place like them. Just apply a drop of white chocolate on the strip itself and stick it. For eyes, I'm using mini wafer candy which I got from a local store. For hands, I'm using 2 cloves, and for nose, I used the same edge of the star which I used in the previous hack. The snowman is ready and it looks super cute. From that batter, I could make 3 snowman. I don't feel like tasting it because it's very pretty, but I have to. It tastes amazing. This hack is undoubtedly successful. For the next hack, I'm using my homemade marshmallow, recipe coming very soon. I'm adding 6 pieces in a bowl. To that, add 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it in the microwave for a minute. Add few drops of green gel food color. Again, all the product links are always in the description box below. Mix and add half cup of cornflakes. Place the mixture on a parchment paper and make a hole in the center. Also, don't forget to apply butter on the paper as I did, or else the marshmallow cornflakes mixture will completely stick to the paper. Now let it set for an hour. I also decorated it with the stars I used earlier. You can see how perfect the marshmallow pull is. The taste is nice, it's crunchy and gooey at the same time. I love it. So this hack was also successful. For the next hack, it took me so long to find the biscuit which was similar to their video, but finally I found this Munchies Fun Mix. So add 2 of these round biscuits on the skewer. Add Oreo as the head of the snowman. Now coat it with white chocolate. I tried once and all the setup fell off the stick, so I applied white chocolate in between the biscuit, but again the same thing. So this time I gave a double coat of chocolate inside as well as in between the individual biscuits and let it set for 10 minutes. Now let's coat it from all the sides and place it on a parchment paper. I'm using the same mini wafer candy for the eyes and one orange skillet for the nose. You can use gems as well. For hands, I couldn't find the pretzel stick, so I used the skewer stick itself. I think it looks pretty good. Yes, it takes a lot of time, but the taste is nice and looks very similar to their video. So for me, this hack is successful. For the next hack, I'm crushing the Poppins candy in a Ziploc bag. I'm using green and yellow color candy. You can use any color you like. Then I'm cutting different shapes from the cookie dough. You will find the recipe in the TikTok versus YouTube video. Remove the center part of the cookie dough. Now add the crushed candy in the center. Spread it out evenly. Make holes for the ribbon. Now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. The color of the mirror is not consistent. It turned brown at some parts, and if you bake it for less time, then the cookies will not be cooked. Also make a bigger hole for the ribbon. I also baked the candy to see which color it turns into, and within 2 to 3 minutes it turned brown. Of course they used some other candies, but it's fine. The cookies still look amazing. Let's taste it. Okay, spoke too soon. The taste is very better. The cookie part is good, but the mirror is not. Maybe if you half bake the cookies and then add the crushed candy towards the end, it would taste good. But right now it's not. So for me, the hack was a 50-50. The last hack is very easy. Just add few drops of green gel food color to melted white chocolate. Mix it. Coat it all over the waffle ice cream cone. Add sprinklers. I'm using multicolored. You can use anything you have. Let it set for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm adding whipped cream inside the cone. You can also add any ice cream. Honestly, it doesn't look as amazing as the other hacks we did today, but it looks decent. Even the taste is good. It is still crispy, which is a plus point. So this hack was successful. Make your Christmas extra special with these amazing decoration hacks. Today's shout out goes to Subhra Jyoti Sahu, Supriya Manandhar, Sania Siddiqui, Sumaya Tamboli and Yash Grover. If you want to shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.